Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today we will do the mathematics subject and the first chapter, revision. So in revision chapter we will do activity 1, same versus different. Same versus different. Look at the object in section A. So this is section A and this is the object here. Circle the objects in section B with the same size. So this is section B and we have two pictures here. We have to circle the object in section B which is same size of this in section A. We have to circle the object in this section B which is same size of section A, means exact same size and shape of this picture in this B section. Which is the one? Yes, this is same to this one. So we have to circle the object here. This is small, means this is different from this. This is same as this. So we have to circle the same object in section B. So we will circle this object here like this. Now this is same as this one. This is different as this one. Same. Now see, same versus different. Look at the object in section A. Circle the objects in section B with the same size. So this is the object in section A. We have two objects in section B. We have to circle the object in section B which is same as this object in A. Now let's see. This is a torchlight. These are torchlights, but this is small and this is same as this one. This is same as this one. This is different. Same, different. Same, different. So we have to circle this one because this is same as this one. We are circling this image because this is same as image in section A. I am circling this image. This is same and this is different. Now let's go for the next one. Activity 2. This is activity 2. Small, medium and large. Small, medium and large. Match each object to the correct size. So here we have 3 images. What are these? Yes, these are ice creams. We have 3 names here. Small, medium, large. Now we have to match these names to the correct pictures. Among these 3, first we will select the small one. Which is the small one? Yes, this is the small one. So we will write here small. S-M-A-L-L, small. This is the small one. Next we will select the medium one. Which is the medium one here? This is the medium size. So we will select medium and write here medium. M-E-D-I-U-M, medium. Now the large one. This is the large ice cream. So we will write here large. Spelling is L-A-R-G-E, large. Large is the bigger one and this is the smaller one, and between these two is the medium size one. Now let's go for the next bit. The next section here also is small, medium and large. Match each object to the correct size. Here we have 3 images and names small, medium, large. We have to select the small image and write small. Large image, large. Medium image, we have to write medium. Now first we will select the small one. Among these 3, This is the small one. These are the telephones. So this is the small one. We will write here small, S-M-A-L-L, small. Then we will check the medium size. Which is medium size? This is very large. So this is the medium because this is bigger than the small one and smaller than the large one. So this is the medium one. We will write here medium. M-E-D-I-U-M, medium. And this is very big. So this is the large telephone. We will write here L-A-R-G-E, large. Now the next activity is activity 3. In this we have long versus short. What is the heading here? We will read. Tick the long vehicle and cross out the short vehicle in each section. So in this section we have to tick the long vehicle and cross out the short vehicle. So here we have two vehicles. One is aeroplane and the second one is a scooter. In these two vehicles we have to identify the longer one and we have to put a tick mark, and for the shorter one we have to put the cross mark. So for these two vehicles, aeroplane is the longer vehicle, so we will put the tick mark here, and the scooter is the shorter vehicle, so we will put the cross mark here. Yes, the longer vehicle, this is the shorter vehicle. Longer vehicle we have put the correct mark, and for the shorter vehicle we have put a cross mark. Now we will go for the next one. Now we will do activity 3, another one, long versus short section. Here also we have to tick the long vehicle and cross out the short vehicle in each section. So here in this section we have to identify the longer vehicle and put a tick mark, and for the shorter vehicle we have to cross out. So in these two vehicles, this is a school bus and this is a car. In these two vehicles, which is the long vehicle? Yes, this is the long vehicle, so we will put the tick mark here in the given box. So this is the short vehicle. Then we will put the cross mark in the given box here. So for these two vehicles, the longer vehicle is the school bus and the shorter vehicle is the car. Now we will go for the next one. Longer versus short. Tick the long vehicle and cross out the short vehicle in each section. So in this picture also we have to tick the longer vehicle and cross the short vehicle. This is a road roller and this is a train. So among these two vehicles, this is the long vehicle. So we will put a tick mark in the given box here for the train. This is the long vehicle and this is the short vehicle, so we will put a cross here. Longer vehicle, tick mark. Shorter vehicle, cross mark. Now we will go for the next one. In activity 4, tall versus short. Tick the tall and cross out the short object in each section. So here we have two animals. This is a giraffe and this is a deer. We have to identify the tall one here. Giraffe is taller the one. So we will put a tick mark in this given box. Giraffe is the taller one, so we are putting a tick mark. Now this is a deer and this is the shorter one, so we will put a cross mark here for the deer. Taller one and the shorter one. We have put the tick mark for the taller one and a cross mark for the shorter one. In activity 4, tall versus short. Take the tall and cross out the short object in each section. In this section, we have to identify the taller one and put a tick mark and cross out the short object. In these two, this is a candle and this is a tree. So, can you tell me which is the taller one? Yes, the tree is the taller one and the candle is the shorter one. So, we will put a tick mark for the tree here. And we will put a cross mark for the candle. Because candle is the shorter one, so cross. And because the tree is taller, tick mark. Now we will go for the next one. Tick the tall and cross out the short object in each section. In these two given birds, yes, these are birds. We have to identify the taller one and the shorter one. Can you identify the taller one? Yes, this is the taller bird and this is the shorter bird. So we will put a tick mark for this bird here, the taller bird, and a cross mark for the shorter bird. Shorter bird and this is the taller bird. Now the next one. Yes, here also we have to tick the tall and cross out the short object in each section. Here we have two people. One is a boy and another one is a man. We have to identify the taller one here. Yes, the man is taller than the boy. We will put a tick mark for the man in the given box. Tick mark for the taller one. Tick mark for the taller one. And we will put the cross mark for the boy because he is the shorter one. Cross mark for the boy. Shorter one, cross mark. And the taller the man is the tick mark we have put in the box. Now we will move for the next section. Now the next activity is activity 5. Count and match. Count the number of pictures in each group and match with correct numbers. Here we have 3 groups. In each group we have different images. We have to count the each group pictures. And then here we have the numbers. We have to match with these numbers the number of pictures. Now first, in the first box we have cars. We will count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 cars. So we will write here number 14. Next we have snails here. We will count the snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The snails are in 11 number. So we will write here 11 number and match it. 11. Now here we have, what are these? Pearls. These are pearls. We will count the pearls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 pearls here and we will match with the number 16. Now we will do the next bit. Now the next activity is activity 6. Count and match. Count the animals in the pet shop and write the numbers. Here we have some animals given in the groups. We have to count them and write the number. How many starfishes are there? These are the starfishes. We have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 starfishes. We will write here 5. Now next one, how many fishes are there? These are the fishes. Let's count how many fishes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fishes here. So we will write the answer as 7.
Correct.
Next, how many turtles are there? So these are the turtles. We will count the turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the turtles here are number 16. So we will write here 16.
Correct.
Now we will go for the next bit.